Believe it or not, human bites can be more dangerous than that of a dog. Hi, I'm Nana Kundesin. Welcome to my channel. The reason is a human's mouth carries over 700 types of bacteria. A bite can cause serious infection, hepatitis, or even HIV/AIDS if blood mixes. Don't allow someone to just bite you. But if someone bites you, wash it with clean water immediately. Apply antiseptic and see your doctor for antibiotics. So yes, the most dangerous bite might just come from another human. Subscribe to my channel.